Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. So today we have a question from Maths Olympiad, and what does this question say? It says that you have 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on 2n plus 1, and we need to find out the value of n. And then they say it is given here, I forgot to write. It is given here the sum is 153. Okay. So now we know the sum of, I don't know what is n. We need to find out the value of n, right? But I know one formula. What formula is that? I know that sum of first n natural numbers. When I don't know n, sum of first n natural numbers is n plus 1 by 2. Okay. If it is, suppose it is 10, it will be 10 times 11 divided by 2, like that. Okay. So in our question, instead of n we have 2n plus 1. Okay, so now I will just replace n with 2n plus 1, right? This is our question, right? Okay, what will I do? Instead of n I will write 2n plus 1. Okay, then this n plus 1 will become 2n plus 1, right, by 2. Okay, so then this will become 2n plus 1, 2n plus 2, and divided by 2. I will just simplify this. It will become 2n plus 1, and if I take 2 common, it will become this. And then I will cancel out 2's, right? Now finally, I know that I got 2n plus 1 and n plus 1 is equal to what is given, 153. Now there are two options. First option is that we see that this is a quadratic equation, right? I will just multiply both these things, and then after multiplying this I will solve this quadratic equation and find out the value of n, right? Another thing is you are in a competitive exam and you have options, so one by one you can just check the options, right? It is 9, 8, 7, 6. We have four options. I will start with 9. Okay. When n is 9, suppose n is 9, 2n plus 1 will become, 2 times 9 is 18 plus 1, 19 times 10. It is 190. So 9 is wrong answer, right? So now I will put n is equal to 8. 2 times 8 is what? 16 plus 1, 17 times 8 plus 1 is 9. 17 times 9 is 153, which is correct. So this is our answer. That means n is equal to 8 is satisfying. We got our answer, right? And n is equal to, if you put n is equal to 7 and 6, they will not satisfy, right? So whenever you are in competitive exams, try to solve it in this way instead of making it as a quadratic equation and then finding out the value of n, right? And this was very easy. I hope you liked it, you understood it. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.